Rattled by the Indian Army's surgical strikes, a desperate Pakistan army again resorting to ceasefire violation in Jammu and Kashmir's Nowshera.
At about 5 a.m., Pakistani troops started targeting several border outposts. Their guns were not only restricted towards the military location, but they started targeting civilian areas. You can see the smoke billowing out. Some of the shells have landed near the civilian area, just a few meters inside the border fence. And you can see that the grass has caught their fire and the smoke is billowing out. This clearly indicates Pakistan's intention that they are trying to inflict casualties.
The Nowshera ceasefire violation, the latest in a series of provocations from the Pak side, as villagers along the line of control bear the brunt.
बीच में जब फायरिंग हुई तो हमने बच्चों को जो है हमारे एक साइड पीछे वाले रूम है जो वहाँ पर शिफ्ट कर दिया। उसके बाद हमने जब बाहर देखा तो फायरिंग है जो उसका जो रोशनी है वो दिखाई दे रही थी, रोशनी रोन्स है जो वो लगाए हुए थे। तो उसी के बीच में पहले छोटा फायर था, उसके बाद बहुत बड़ा फायर होता रहा। 8 बजे तक तो लगभग सुबह 8 बजे तक बहुत बड़ा फायर हुआ।
Whenever there is a firing from across the border, the best thing what they do is they just lie on the ground, because if they have got a double-story house, they normally stay in the ground floor. That is the advisory being issued to them. And they are the one who had been facing this brunt for the last so many years, so they very well understand. We have seen that ever since the surgical strike has been launched from this particular area, this Nowshera sector has become quite vulnerable. To avenge that surgical strike, Pakistan from time to time has been violating ceasefire, targeting even the civilian population.
While our troops put their lives on the line of fire to defend the nation, India pays tribute to Sepoy Sudis Kumar, an army Jawan martyred in the unprovoked firing by Pak Army in Rajouri sector. The 24-year-old martyred made the ultimate sacrifice when cowardly Pakistan Army violated ceasefire along the line of control on Sunday. A billion salutes to braveheart Sudis Kumar and the men defending our borders, putting their lives at risk. With Pradeep in Nowshera, Madhusudan for Times Now.